right, here we go. Wait, real quick. That's not a rock form mount. Grab yourself a rock form mount. Click the link in the description. You get 25% off if you click that link. All right. Oh, we're having a little fun here. 120. Slow it down. Blind curve. Oh, yay. Oh, there's the ditch. Well, you're not getting to point B as quick as possible if you're not on the road and you're in a ditch. You know what I mean? Poor Yamaha. I thought Harleys were only thirsty all the time. Scarlet. Talking, walking wounded. Good. See? If he had a rock form mount, it would have stayed on. Would have protected that. All right, so we're gonna start increasing our speed. Right now it's 81. I'm gonna say kilometers an hour, but we're gonna start increasing our speed. We're in a group ride. We're gonna pass people. We're not supposed to be doing this. Okay, so we're going 120 at this point. Okay, so we have chevrons here. Chevrons indicates a sharp turn, but look at all this traffic. This is not the place to do it. This is not the place to do it because they're really going to obstruct your vision. They're really going to obstruct your vision. So right here, this is all we can see. Okay? This is all we can see. Like, that's the road we can see. So we need to be able to stop in this area or do some type of emergency maneuvers in this area. Okay? Because this is all we can see. Now, it's gonna change, right? We're gonna see more and more the more we go, correct? Yeah, that's fine. But right now, we're hauling butt with the assumption that it's still gonna keep going. We don't know that. So why did this happen? Yeah. Realized something. I'm guessing that the second word is realized something. Sharp turn. Very sharp turn. We're not prepped and ready for this. You know, we got the chevrons, all that stuff. We're not prepped and ready. We don't have good positioning. Maybe if we committed to the turn, we could have, but more than likely we're going to low side. So let's not do this in the first place. So proper speed, slow press and roll, being situation aware that we're in a lot of traffic, curves are dangerous, orange stage. This isn't the area to haul ass and have a ton of fun, right? This isn't the area to go, you know. Yeah, we're not. There's other words I want to say, but I'm not gonna. But this isn't the area we should be doing it. Okay, we should not be doing it. We could pick a different time. You know, maybe the same corner is very fun at a different time of day, but this is not the time to do it. If you crash into a ditch, you're never gonna ride. You know, you're not gonna do this again if your bike is gonna do this. So save your fun for the times that you can have that fun and mitigate these risks with proper skill, with less factors like cars and sun and road debris and ego. Remove as many factors as possible. Okay, guys? So this one right here was a lot of speed. This one right here was a lot of ego. And if you remove some of that speed and removed some of that ego, might not have happened. So just minimize a little bit, okay? So grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure. A lot better than some of the other competitors. Anyways, they sponsor this channel, so make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link. I'll see you guys around.